Welcome to decimals. We're used to seeing numbers like this, but what about this? This dot here shows us that this number is not 24. This is our whole number, or our unit. We have 2 units. This is called a decimal point. And this is how many tenths we have. Tenths are a part of a whole number. Numbers after the decimal are similar to a fraction. They represent part of a number. 2.4 is in between 2 and 3. We can see this more accurately when we add in the tenths. In between every whole number, there are 10 tenths. If we put an arrow showing us where 2.4 goes, this is where it would be pointing. It is 4 tenths more than 2. Let me show you how this looks using pizza. This is 1 pizza. Here we have 2 pizzas. Here is where our decimal point would go if we knew that we had more than 2 pizzas and less than 3 pizzas. This is what 2.4 pizzas look like. See, we have 2 whole pizzas and only part of the next pizza. Let's check that. 1, 2.4. See, we have 4 slices of a pizza that was cut into 10 pieces. Someone must have eaten the other 6 slices. So we only have 2.4 pizzas left. In Activity 1, you will have to colour in the amount you have using pictures. 2.4 coloured in looks like this. Another way to show how many of something we have is using a place value table. We have 2 units, and so we write 2 in the units column. The decimal goes in the decimal column, and I wonder if you can guess what goes in the tenths column. That's right, it's a 4 because we have 4 tenths. After the decimal, the further away from the point, the smaller the number. In Activity 1, you learn about tenths and hundredths. In this activity, you will have to fill in the place value table and colour in one of the grids. This is how 1.92 looks in a place value table. We have our 1 unit or whole, our decimal in our decimals column. We have 9 tenths and 2 hundredths. This is a blank colouring grid. And when we've coloured it in, 1.92 looks like this. Use your imagination to think about how much pizza that is. We colour in 1 unit because we have 1 of them. We colour in 9 tenths because we have 9 of them. And we colour in 2 hundredths because we have 2 of them. So we fill in the table and we colour in the colouring grid. When you are done for each number, you should have a table that's filled in and a coloured grid. It is now time to start Activity 1. Make sure you watch this video again if you're still unsure about anything. If you have any questions, make sure you either write them down for me to answer for you next time or ask your teacher for help.